Hello, this is my final project, Project 5 for Capstone for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Before we begin, let's log out of this account and let's go to our login page where the user is greeted with a login page where they can log into the website. What this website does is that this is a college tracker. So I've created a account name named CS50. And once we log in, then we can see that we're shown to the dashboard where the college tracker is showcased. If you see on the left, we have many subtopics such as all colleges, where if you click on, you can see the different colleges that are up right now. And the way you can add a college is by going to your Django admin, where we have two models currently. And to show you, we can add the college Harvard. So if we log into our Django admin, and go to colleges, then we can add, for example, let's add Harvard. You can do the name, you can do the location of the college, whenever the application deadline is, a website that will then take you to that website. So let's search up Harvard. And we can copy the URL link of Harvard's webpage and post that right here. You can do the institution type, so it would be Ivy League, the state, so Massachusetts, the campus setting, which we'll just put urban, the climate, campus size, meal options, extracurriculars, housing summary, sports program, and if financial aid is available. So if we click save and we go back to our login or our main college tracker website, then you can see that Harvard has now shown up. Now, how would you actually use this tracker? So once you go into all colleges, you can search up a college. So let's say we search up just Harvard into search history. Then only Harvard will show up. You could also search up a location. So let's just go any college in Massachusetts. So if we do that, then you can see that we have colleges as Harvard and MIT, since that is the location for Massachusetts, and two colleges that we have that are in Massachusetts. So what you can do is that you can add these to your My Colleges. If you click apply/track, then it will show that you have added Harvard to your list. And then when you have it on your list, you can change it from researching to applying to submitted, accepted, rejected, or deferred, so you can keep all of your college applications in one place. If we go to our preferences, you can find a more specific college that you're looking for. You can put in your college type, your meal plan, preferred state, campus setting, max distance, climate, campus size, housing, extracurriculars, sports program level, your GPA, SAT score, ACT score, and if you need financial aid. And once you save these preferences, then it will also aid you in finding a college that you like. Furthermore, if you want to see a more in-depth showcase of the college, then on the left-hand side, you can click under the colleges, you can click on the specified college. So as you can see, we have Harvard, where it shows the application deadline as July 31st. It shows it's an Ivy League, and it's giving financial aid. If we click visit website, then we are brought to the Harvard University webpage as we added from our Django admin. Again, we have our campus setting, we have student life, but we don't have any information. Now, if we go to our My Colleges, you can either remove the colleges from your list. So now that we remove that, let's add Harvard back. So if we add it back, and let's say we apply to Harvard. So right now, if you go on the dashboard, then you can see that in progress, we have currently one. If we were to change this from researching to applying, then when we go to the dashboard, it will also show it as one. But let's say that instead of applying, let's say that we submitted our application. Then it will show one application is submitted and now zero are in progress since we completed all of ours. And lastly, if we were to, for example, let's say we hear back and we got accepted into Harvard, then it will show that we have gotten accepted to our college. So you can also see your colleges here. And this is just a neat and organized way for you to be able to track your colleges that you're applying to. Thank you for watching.